All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah, another deep dive.
Today we are talking all about Excel,
Yes.
and specifically a really cool shortcut. I think this is going to blow some people's minds.
Yeah, especially for people who really get into the weeds in those spreadsheets, those big complex
Oh, yeah,
ones.
you got 50 tabs open and you change one number and then it breaks everything.
Exactly, and you have no idea where to even begin to
Oh,
look.
it's the worst. And you just click it around like a crazy person.
Right, just hoping you stumble upon the problem.
Oh, those days are over, my friend, because we are going to talk about a shortcut that can help you avoid those situations altogether.
I like it.
So, we like to do these deep dives. We found this awesome source called Pasted Text. It's got all kinds of Excel tips and tricks.
It's a gold mine, honestly. I found a lot of really useful stuff in there.
Oh, absolutely. And this shortcut we're going to talk about, it's like one of those things that once you learn it, you're like, how did I ever live without this?
Seriously.
So are you ready?
I'm ready. Hit me with it.
All right. So the shortcut is Alt plus M plus D.
Okay, Alt-MD. Got it.
And that is the shortcut for trace dependence.
Trace dependence. What does that even mean?
All right. So imagine this, right? You've got your spreadsheet and you change a number, like maybe it's a sales figure or an expense, whatever.
Okay.
You hit Alt plus M plus D, and bam, arrows pop up on your spreadsheet.
Arrows, what do they point to?
They point to all the other cells that are affected by that number you just changed.
Whoa, hold on. So it's like it's showing me all the connections.
Exactly. It's like having X-ray vision for your data.
That's actually a really good way to put it. You can see the ripple effects of your change.
Right. So you can immediately see like, oh, if I change this number over here, it's going to impact these other cells over there.
And that's huge because then you can avoid making a change that's going to mess up a bunch of other calculations down the line.
Exactly. It's all about understanding those relationships between the cells in your spreadsheet.
It's like a chain reaction.
Yeah.
One thing leads to another.
Totally. And pasted text is a really good example. They talk about a budget scenario.
Okay, I like budget scenarios. Those are relatable.
Right. So let's say you're updating a budget and you change the projected sales for a certain quarter.
All right, makes sense.
You hit Alt plus M plus D, and it'll show you exactly which cells are affected by that change, like maybe your total revenue, your profit margins, things like that.
So you can see the impact on the bottom line right away.
Exactly. No more guessing or clicking around like a maniac.
Or, spending hours trying to track down the source of an error.
Ugh. Yeah, been there, done that. Not fun.
Not fun at all. And the thing is, it's not just about finding errors. It's about understanding how your spreadsheet works as a whole.
Right. And making sure it's built in a way that's robust and reliable.
Exactly. You want to be confident in the numbers that your spreadsheet is spitting out.
Absolutely. And this shortcut can really help with that, even if you're working on a small spreadsheet, like for your personal finances.
Oh, for sure. This is helpful no matter the size of your spreadsheet.
Okay, but it gets even better. You ready for this?
Lay on me.
So pasted text mentions that you can also trace the other direction, so to speak.
What do you mean the other direction?
So you can trace what are called precedents.
Precedents.
Yeah, so those are the cells that are feeding into the cell you have selected.
Oh, so it's like going backwards?
Yeah, exactly. So instead of seeing what cells are affected by a change, you're seeing where the data in that cell is coming from.
So now you can trace the flow of information both forwards and backwards.
It's like having a complete map of your data's interconnectedness.
It's like being a data detective.
Yes, and the possibilities are endless. I mean, think about it. Project timelines, recipe calculations, anything where one change can impact a bunch of other things.
Oh yeah, so many applications this could be useful for.
Right, like imagine you're planning an event and you have to adjust the date.
Oh, that could throw a lot of things off.
Exactly. But with this shortcut, you can see all the other tasks and deadlines that are affected by that date change.
So you can make the necessary adjustments and keep everything on track.
Exactly. It's all about understanding those dependencies.
So to recap, Alt plus M plus D is our new best friend.
It's your secret weapon for Excel domination.
It helps us understand the hidden connections in our data.
And become more confident and efficient spreadsheet users.
Whether you're a pro or just starting out.
Now, here's a final thought for you to chew on.
Okay, I'm listening.
We've talked about how this shortcut can help us understand dependencies within a single sheet.
Right.
But what if we could take it a step further?
Go on.
What if we could use this concept to track dependencies across multiple sheets or even entire workbooks?
Wow, that's next level.
Right. Think about the possibilities for building and understanding complex data models.
It would be like having a bird's eye view of your entire data universe.
Exactly. Yeah. So much potential there. But that's a deep dive for another day.
Until then, happy spreadsheeting, everyone.
And we'll catch you next time.